All right, and we're here at the title company, and we just got done closing on this house in Farmington Hills on Parker that I made a few videos. It's been about 10 weeks since the day we bought this house on August 17th to now, November 3rd. It's been a speedy process for sure. I couldn't be happier with the outcome. Now, does it mean that every single rehab goes quickly like this? No, not necessarily. I mean, it's all depending on how big the house is, how good you are with your team and contractors, how quickly you can design stuff, how quickly you can be able to put things together, but also to be able to navigate through selling process, which is a completely different ball game as well. From the investor perspective, you got to be able to be flexible. You got to go with the flow. If the original plan doesn't go one way, you have to be able to come up quickly and have your team execute it. Bottom line is we want a new homeowner to be able to live in a safe and beautiful home after we're done with it. And so you have to follow guidelines, but you have to be able to execute and stay on budget if you want to be profitable. Now, from the seller owner perspective, if you want to sell your house fast, you don't want to be greedy with your pricing. You want to price your house correctly. That doesn't mean you want to underprice it, but you don't want to be overpriced and sitting on the market. If you also have to deal with the lenders, right? When you do have an offer, you want to be able to see, okay, who is the lender on the other side? Who is the buyer's agent on the other side? Is this buyer's agent experienced? Is this lender experienced? Is this loan officer experienced? Are they giving you the pre-qualified mortgage approval, or is it pre-approved? Conventional offers and FHA. How much is the down payment? What is the terms and conditions of this offer? So there's lots that goes into this each aspect of the selling process to be able to sell quickly. And this particular home actually sold under 4 weeks, which is really fast. The usual mortgage from the day you list the property to the day you find a buyer, let's say about a week to 2 weeks in this market, if you price correctly. And then the buyer gets a mortgage. It takes another roughly 4 weeks to 5 weeks for them to be able to get a financing. Well, we got through a selling process just under a month. So it's been a really speedy process. There's lots of stuff I can go into from the owner perspective, from the investor perspective. So for the purpose of this video, just to let you guys know that if you need to sell your home fast, reach out. And I'm kind of picky. I don't looking to work with everyone. I mean, some of my friends and some of the family members, they do ask me to help them sell their homes fast, and I do help them. But again, I'm not looking to work with everyone. If you're an investor and what to do with the property, how to identify your end buyer, what finishes to use, or if you're a homeowner and will need to sell your home fast, reach out. Let's connect. You can find me online. You can call me. You can direct message me. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can always find us there. Comment on our videos. And until then, be well.